everyone, and welcome to my channel, Smile There's Wine. Yay! Hello, guess who's back? Back again. Emily's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? All right, that was really bad. Hi, guys! Oh my goodness! I'm back. Do you remember me? Hi, I'm Emily, and welcome to my channel, Smile There's Wine. Cheers. There's definitely some wine tonight. I hope everyone's doing so good. Yes, I have been gone. I have been gone for quite some time. I would like to say that I've been on a trip to Europe, around Europe, just traveling and shopping and doing all those fabulous things, having my wine, eating my cheese, but unfortunately, no trips to Europe. But life has been fabulous, just really busy. I'm sure you all can understand. And unfortunately, I have not been able to open boxes for you. I have still been getting some fabulous Stitch Fixes, like such good ones that I'm like, oh my gosh, why didn't I make a video? My people need to see this. But again, things have just been too crazy. I love the clothing. I love sharing it with you guys. What I don't love is editing. It's just time consuming, you know? And then sometimes I'll make videos and then weeks, sometimes months will get away from me and I'm like, I have to post it. I have to make it. And so they never get made. They just get deleted, unfortunately. But I'm here. I'm trying to make a video with you all today. Yay. I have a Stitch Fix and I'm excited to check it out. So I'm going to open it on up and we're going to dive in this together. I hope you guys are doing so great. If you've never checked out my channel, please feel free to subscribe. I'm going to try to be around a little bit more. You want to know a little bit about me? I'm a teacher. I teach second grade. Actually, this year I'm having to teach a combo. I teach first and second graders all in one classroom. I call it my one house schoolroom. Okay, I don't have it right now, but Okay, anyways, we're going to move on. It's Sunday. The brain's not braining. Anyways, I'm a mom also. I have a teenager daughter. Oh my gosh, when did that happen? And a 9-year-old little son. So we have a lot of fun together living in Northern California. Something you're going to hear me say a lot is it is hot here. It's always hot here. So even though we are approaching into fall, I have some summery things in here. What else can I tell you? I teach dance fitness classes, so that's kind of taken over a lot of my life, along with driving my kids all over and kids sports and kid events and, all that fun stuff. So anyways, I'm so happy to be here with you. Let's check this out and see if I got any good clothing. My favorite part. Let's check out the bundle. Ooh, look at these fun textures. This pink one has such a fun texture. Okay, let's dive on in. Okay, this first piece, and of course I did cheat. I did look at online what I was getting, so I kind of knew. My lighting's a little off, so I'm gonna scoot over. Okay, this is a romper. How freaking cute is this, you guys? I am in love with this. This would be so perfect 4th of July. 4th of July is already gone, but another one will approach. We will have another one at some point in time. How cute this would be with like some little red accessories. I love it. Love a good romper. We will see how this works with the girls. Not bra friendly, but you know what? It's hot here in the summer and I don't care. We can do some sticky boobs. We can figure it out. This I'm very excited about. Dun, 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 dun. How cute is this? I'm super into these sweater tanks. They're so cute. The only thing I don't like, this is by Market and Spruce, is if they make you look more bulky. Yeah, don't want that. But if they're a good length and they work well, they do not do that. So kind of like this one. This one's pretty good with that. This is so cute. I'm excited about this piece. Next is another Market and Spruce. Okay, so this is a cute little dress. It's got these little buttons. I feel like this is a perfect little teacher dress. Kind of ruches in here at the waist and kind of comes down to a nice little length. Cute. I think this would be really cute with a cardigan. You could even kind of follow it up with some tall boots and, like I said, a cardigan. So this could work. And it's, like I just said, it's still hot here. Like last week, you guys love my weather reports. Weather report. Last week it was raining and it was like such a tease of fall. And now it's going to be 100 again. 100. So excited about these pants. I think I have these in a maroon color. Love them. Okay, so it's kind of that like wide leg jam. Love this dark green. These could even work during the Christmas season. Style them with some like boots. Rock that green moment. Okay, I'm excited about these. And they've got like these big kind of cargo-y pockets, but not pockets on the hips. I cannot do, I know like back in the day it was super cool to have like the big old chunky pocket on the hip, pocket down low, but we're trying to not be chunky in those areas. So I don't mind these pockets right here. And I don't really like when they have the hammer, you know, the hook where you're supposed to put your hammer. I'm good. My hammer can stay home. I forgot what this last piece was. Is this another dress? Oh, this is a skirt. Oh, I have this skirt in many other patterns. The little tie waist has come undone. But I love this. This is like a very dark navy, and it's kind of picking up green on camera, but this is going to be good. This can be really versatile for winter because I can put leggings on underneath it and like a chunky sweater on top and still be dressed up and looking cute. This skirt's fabulous. Okay. All right, guys. Are you ready to try them? I'm not sure. My legs are real white because I'm ready for fall. I'm over summer. But let's see what we can put together and let's do it. All right. Okay, friends, here we are. This is by Market and Spruce. This is that cute little rose-colored knit tank. I absolutely love these. I think they're so super cute. It definitely is bra friendly, like she said. I would probably do like a cute little front tuck with it. I just paired it with these kind of fun jeans that are kind of torn up and kind of fun, and some Birkenstocks. But yeah, I think this is a great top. I do. I think it's super cute. I like this color. It's not the exact same color as my skin tone. I have to be really careful with pinks that are a little bit lighter than this because then I look like I'm not wearing anything, being so fair. So I think that this is really cute. The material is really nice. Kind of has like some different ribbing going on here. The neckline is really nice. Same with underneath the shoulders. I think it's flattering. I think it's super cute. And depending on price, I love it. So we will see how the rest of the box goes. All right, on to the next. Okay, so here's this super cute dress. I did kind of jazz it up a little bit to show you how you can transition into fall with it. I could even put like a fun little hat on or something. This is just a little cardigan. I got this in a different box. I want to say like daily look or something. But you can see if I wanted to be even more winter appropriate, I could do a long sleeve cardigan. But I thought it was kind of cute with the tall boots. But I don't think we're there yet here in California. I think this dress is super cute. It does need like a good little steaming. I'm wondering like how see-through it is. Let's just take this cardigan off so you can see. I think it's so cute. I think it's very flattering. This is really nice. The where it hits right here kind of gives a little suck in, tuck in action. And then it doesn't like poof out on the tummy. Sometimes I find that when it hits in, then it kind of makes the tummy pop. So it's nice that it doesn't do that. I love these little buttons right here. I think that kind of adds a little fun conservative detail. Nice little armholes, and truly like this is perfect. I love a good tank dress, have a normal bra on, so don't have to worry about like finding something strapless. Probably wouldn't wear these boots to school running around chasing children. I think you could do something even fun and just wear like a cute pair of white tennis shoes with this. But I really, really like this. It does not have pockets, which is fine. Sometimes pockets kind of add the bulk, you know? But I think this is so cute. I love it. I'm excited. So far, there's two. Ah, dangerous. Look, so pretty. Fun, fun. Okay, let's see if we can do more than two. Okay, so here are these green pants. I believe these are studio blue pants. They fit fabulous. They are cute, great length. I think they are a tiny bit short. In terms of the length, if I was looking for more of like winter, a winter crop, but I think for a nice summer, spring crop, I think they're going to be just fine. They feel secure, they feel great, nice quality. I paired them with this little shirt. I also got this shirt from Stitch Fix a few boxes back. This is by Sanctuary. It literally goes with everything, also bra friendly. Thumbs up. So it has these fun pockets here and does a pretty good job of like sucking things in. Yeah, looking good. I like them. They're beautiful green. I know on camera they're just probably picking up black, but they're beautiful dark forest green. And I think you could do a lot with like caramel colors and really plant fall, and then probably into Christmas as well. So yeah, so I do like these pants. I like the other two pieces even more, but these are good. They're falling into the perfect 5 out of 5 box. So let's check out the last two pieces. Well, I can already tell I'm in trouble because I love this skirt, and I knew I would because I have it in red and white. I have it in, I think, like all cream with some beautiful green flowers. So of course I needed the little black combo to add to the mix. It's just like the perfect work skirt. It can be high-waisted. You can pull it up nice and high. Has this cute little tie. You can put it into a bow. I kind of usually just let it flow down 70s style. Has a cute little slit. It is a very nice length, and every time I wear the dress or the skirt and the other prints, I usually always get lots of compliments. So whoop, don't fall. So yeah, I think that this one is really good too. Very good. Such a fun print. I'll try to show you this print right here. Pretty. What do you guys think about these green nails? Kind of crazy. Pretty though. Okay. All right. We have that last little number, that last one. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so like I said, we're way past 4th of July, but how cute would this be with a little red bandana? You could even do like play up red somewhere else. Love it. So cute. This is so great, you guys. This is perfect. I freaking love this. Not sure if I would wear it to school. I probably would not as a teacher, unless I could wear like a longer cardigan over it, so that it wasn't so strappy, right? Yeah. Okay, but this is great for when it is hot and it is summer and you just don't really care, right? It's great material. This right here can be tied and made a little bit more tighter. It has cute little pockets. The straps are also adjustable, and I think it's a cute little length. I freaking love this. I think it's so cute. I think it'd be so fun for a pool party or a barbecue. I think it'd be great. Okay, oh my goodness. Well, I totally think already this is a 5 out of 5. Let's jump into looking at prices and then we'll see for sure. Okay. Danger, danger, Stitch Fix danger. I always think like I have everything Stitch Fix has to offer me. Like I have it already. I'm good. Like let's find something else. And then they send me a box and I'm like, I don't have this. I need this. Yeah. It's been good. She's been nailing it. Okay, let's check out what we have here. Studio Blue. Dawn. Wide leg. This is not pretty. Sorry. I will do better next time. Wide leg utility pant. Dark green. Size 8. $69. I think that's a good Stitch Fix price. Next. Mark and Spruce. Sleeveless. Smock waist. Olive. That must be this dress. Ooh, $40. I think that's pretty good for Stitch Fix. Could we get something like this at TJ Maxx for less? Probably, but maybe not, you know? It fit good. It looked good. It was good quality, so maybe not. Skies Are Blue Sage Pleated Mini Skirt. This is a classic. It will get worn. Size medium, $58. Also something you could find something similar possibly somewhere, but I don't have time for that. And I know I already have two that fit great and I love and I like that. Dizzy Lizzy Holly Romper. This one, I think it's cute. Like, is it appropriate for a woman that's 40 plus? I don't know, but do I care? No, not really. It doesn't really matter. Oh, that's my cat. I was like, ah! Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Okay. Blue medium, $58. $58! This is like barely any material, but I like it. So there's that. And then the last one is the Market & Spruce Corbin knit sweater for $49. So this is kind of expensive too for a knit sweater. I don't know. These prices are a little bit much. But, okay, so the whole total, $274. That's quite a bit. But if I got everything, which I did love everything, they take off $68, which I'm going to say is almost $70. Plus, the shipping is free, and it waives that styling fee. So all of these clothing pieces would be about $200 total. So if I think about it, like 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So if we're thinking each piece was about $40, I think that's pretty good for a pair of pants. Quite a bit of stuff. It's just been too good, you guys. It's just been too good. Plus, I'm going to go for it. I'm going to do it. Yay! 5 out of 5. Like I need more clothing. I do not. But will I do it? Yes, I will. But I have to tell you guys, I'm so excited. So I just paid off my car. Like, that was really big. So for the longest time, I've been, putting a good $300 towards my car. Just paid it off. I'm a full owner of my car, which means, knock on wood, it will probably break down now. Or something will happen. But that means I've got a raise, right? I just got a raise. And so I can buy this because I deserve it, right? Cheers. It's called girl math, people. Girl math. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I miss you. I hope I can actually edit this video and get it up and cut out all the weird things that I probably said that hopefully you won't see, but maybe you will. We just don't know. All right. So don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will be seeing you all very soon. Hope all is well in your world, and take care. Bye.